building. Hold up. Okay, we are live. Let me pop this chat out real quick. What's going on? My boy Crypto and Culture is in the building right away. That's what's popping. Shout out to you, man. Matter of fact, let me let the people know right here in the beginning for my boy Crypto and Culture, man. This is somebody I definitely be back and forth with on this crypto stuff, trying to build a little crypto YouTube channel, man. Let's see. I hope yours pops up first. Here we go. Crypto and Culture, man. Yo, if y'all are looking for like some funny content, by the way, man, I see you going up, man. You're doing your thing. 612 subscribers. Shouts to you. If you guys are looking for a channel where you can find funny content, some valuable interviews with people like these guys that created games on the Lightning Network, some people that's repping cryptocurrency out in Africa, dude from Lolly, what else? He had the other one from Bitcoin and Friends. My man's Crypto and Culture, Kenzie from Crypto and Culture. He's going crazy. His channel's growing quickly. So definitely know where you heard it first. I mean, you probably heard it in another channel because he rock with Chico Crypto. I think he be moderating on some of his live streams as well. So my man's just putting in work. Definitely go ahead and subscribe to his channel. And speaking of subscribe to channels, man, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter as well. If you're not following me on Twitter, you need to go ahead and do that. Twitter is like the next best place for cryptocurrency. Like if you're not really into YouTube, you're probably on Twitter. If you're not really into Reddit, you're still probably on Twitter. It's like that bridge for everybody in crypto to just casually go to here and there. And some people really put the work in. My man, Mr. Lodak, Shill Connect, you already know. Honestly, man, Shill Connect. That's bad funny. I'm not gonna lie, that's hilarious. I might even use that, man. That you just started something. As y'all know, man, this is just a spot where people could talk about their favorite projects. It doesn't have to necessarily be shilling in a sense, like, you know, telling people to buy something, that everything is the best coin, everything's going to go to the moon. It's really in terms of just sharing what projects you guys are interested in. There's way too many projects out there. And even if 95% of them fail, we're probably still going to have at least 100 crypto projects out there that might be successful. So come chill, man. Come talk to your boy, hang out. We have some vibes and we chill. Now, I want to get into a little bit of, matter of fact, I want to get into a little bit of news, right? First, check your boy out on LBRY. That's the other thing. I know I said Twitter as well, but this is another platform that all the crypto YouTubers, all the people that put out content on cryptocurrency, we're all backing up our projects on LBRY. It's a crypto project. You can earn LBRY credits by just coming in and doing small tasks. So definitely come over here, download their app, follow me on LBRY. I got all of my videos synced up. So if you're a content creator, if you're on YouTube, you can actually sync your channel. You see all of my videos here. So that's what's popping as well. And maybe I'll try to do some exclusive content on here as well, like do some giveaways or something like that. Maybe I'll reach out to their team. This is the time for them to strike while the iron's hot, because it seems like there's almost like an attack on crypto. Like, I don't want to go ahead and just say that, but look what's going on with Metamask, man. So you've probably seen it on the thumbnail. Metamask is being blocked by Google. So first, a bunch of crypto YouTubers get their accounts, videos taken down and suspended in certain cases, and then they apologized, said it was a mistake. Now Metamask, the app Metamask, is they're blocking Android users. Google is blocking Android users from downloading it from the Google Play Store. So Metamask is being blocked, and this is foul. They're saying that it's because of something like their financial policy that they have with mining is not allowed. I was reading something on Cointelegraph. This picture is wild strange to me. I guess it's like trying to drive and you stay in park. Is that what Google is saying? Otherwise, this looks like something else about to go down, if you know what I'm saying. It don't look like that type of proper representation of what's going on with MetaMask and Google. But anyway, from what I read, Google is saying that it's something going on with like mining or something like that. I'm not really sure. Could it have to do with maybe, I don't know, certain staking opportunities that go directly to your wallet? I have no clue. I really don't know. So you guys let me know if you know the exact reason. Leave it in the chat, leave it in the comments, however you want to. If you're watching this afterwards, just leave it in the comments. But nonetheless, this is what I said the other day, right? So I'm seeing this on December 26th. Just the other day on the live stream, people were asking me about different projects. One of the projects that came up was Elastos. And peep what I said about what I'm looking for in a crypto project, what I'm looking for long-term in this whole crypto thing, so that we don't have to deal with stuff like this happening all the time. So we don't have to worry about YouTube banning us. We kind of need to start from the bottom. So real quick, it's just like 1 minute. Let me take myself off. Look, crazy. And that's the thing that people tend to forget, is that it needs to be from the operating system. It needs to be from the absolute ground up that we have blockchain technology. I'm waiting for a good blockchain phone. I know that HTC has like some blockchain phone or something like that, but I just switched from Mac to PC. And I love iPhone. I'm team iPhone, hands down. But you know how many hurdles these dApps have to go through to be able to play on an iPhone, to be able to use it on the App Store? It's just ridiculous, man. So cryptocurrency, we see what's going on with YouTube. We see what's going on with the App Store. You can't just have a dApp and just go ahead and list it. Like, you got to go through this big approval process, wallets, whatever the case is. It's very, very, it's just whack. The whole situation is whack. So what we need is hardware that works for cryptocurrency. All right, that has, cold storage opportunities. All these different things need to be integrated from the phone itself, because this is where everything works, is mobile devices. Most people are probably watching me on mobile right now. And then operating system. We can't just be on these operating systems that are not welcoming to blockchain and cryptocurrency. So Elastos having its own. All right, so that was just a quick clip. I just kind of wanted to go over that again, yo. Like, straight up, we need it from the ground up. We need hardware that's welcoming to crypto and blockchain, and we need operating system that does the same thing. All right, we can't be sitting here relying on Google to approve us, relying on Apple to approve us. Like, I need it to just be straight up, yo, I could pull out whatever device I have and it works. You know what I'm saying? Why are we relying on these Android operating systems, which Google has such a strong hand in when it comes to the Google Play Store, and Apple to approve? Like, nah, man, we should just be able to just put out stuff the same way we could put out stuff on the internet. All right, so I'm hoping that's what we're gonna see in the future, man. That's really what I'm hoping for. So I know I put Elastos probably in my thumbnail, but it was really just to talk about this thing right here. So there's a couple projects I want to talk about. Matter of fact, my boy Crypto and Culture, my boy Kenzie is here. Engine. So Engine is a project that I talk about on a regular basis, and there's something that I wanted to point out, because there's a little misconception out there, man. People think that Microsoft is not using the Engine coin. I'm about to show you right now. Microsoft is using the Engine coin, people. This is not just them using Engine technology. Like, in order to make these non-fungible tokens, you actually need to use the Engine coin. So I'm about to show you. Here on Engine's Twitter page, you can go to Microsoft Azure Heroes, right? This is Microsoft.com. This is their spot, right? And over here, you can scroll down. You can see all their little Azure Heroes. I don't know the whole story behind this. You know what I mean? But this is something that you guys want to definitely check out. So if you click on Public Ledger right here, ba-boom. All of these are backed by a little bit of Engine. Now, it's a small amount, though. So it's a small amount. Now, Kenzie, I know you did say, like, they not using the coin, but mad people thought they was not using the coin. I'm like, oh, nah, I'm an Engine fan. I got to put it out there, man. I got to put it out there, man. Yo, I'm telling you guys, man, go check out Crypto Kenzie, man. My boy Crypto and Culture, y'all really need to check him out. Subscribe to the channel, man. Follow him on Twitter, everything. That's my guy right there. Go check him out for sure. But Yeah, so what page was it? Where am I at? Yeah, so this is, by the way, this is the engine block explorer. It's fire. They got their own block explorer. You know, they got the night mode. Have you ever seen a block explorer look so good? Looks so good. So you could click on here. You could see that this is how much engine is inside of it. 0.001 engine, but they have 250 of them that they created for this specific one. And then they have, you know, a couple other ones that they did that with as well. So these are different little badges. They have 3,070 assets altogether, 6 different kinds. This is pretty dope, man. And this is just like some fun stuff. Imagine when people really start trying to put out things that are serious, that have bigger value to it. You know what I mean? They're going to put more engine inside of it, and this thing might really grow. So I'm super excited about Engine. It's one of the projects that if you're not at least following what they're doing, you should definitely go ahead and check it out. So let's see. Big facts. Appreciate that. I'm pretty sure you meant appreciate. All right, now I see appreciate. We in here. Yeah, you already know, man. That's you my guy, man. Definitely very encouraging, you know, just to see other content creators on it. I'm your 5th follower on LBRY. Mr. Lodak, thank you very much, man. You are that guy, man. Let me see if I could maybe go back and see. 5th, yo, Mr. Lodak, shout out to you, man. By the way, let's show you Mr. Lodak's channel as well. I think you changed your name back to Mr. Lodak, right? Let's see. Oh man, where's Mr. Lodak? Yo, Mr. Lodak, throw your channel in the chat, bro. Throw that channel in the chat. And then my boy Crypto Fees is in the building. Play that what you know. Yeah, we about to definitely play that in a little while. Mr. Lodak, definitely put your channel in the chat, man, for sure. So one project I wanted to talk about, right? Yeah, Mr. Lodak be on the gold charts for heavy. Click the 3 dots. Oh yeah, word. Go to channel right here. Oh crap. Hold on, I gotta pop my chat out again. I don't know what just happened when I did that, Mr. Lodak. That did something else. That did something else. So anyway, man, whenever you want to, man, just throw it in there, and we could definitely shill your channel a little bit too. So Crypto Fees, we're gonna go to your channel in a little while. We're gonna play a track that him and I did. If you guys want to stick around, man, chill out real quick. Chill with the homie. We vibing. We're about to look at some projects. I know y'all wanted me to look at iexec. Few people, including my boy Crypto and Culture, definitely talked about iexec. I want to talk a little bit about TLOS. I've been staking a small amount of TLOS, and it's been looking like a nice return, so I'm probably going to add to it. I wanted to talk about Ultra a little bit more because I've been doing some more TLOS do the most coming soon. Dang, Fees, it's not on there. You're going to have to, oh, man. I don't have the file. I got a new computer, so I don't have the file on my, on my freaking phone, right? Not on my phone, on this computer. I have Telegram on the other joint. I haven't even started my Telegram joint yet. I'm sick right now. I'm sick. I really wanted to play that track, man. So anyway, my bad for like just jibber jabbering. I've been really following this Ultra joint, and I haven't been following it for a long time, but the other day somebody mentioned it. I've seen a few people talking about it. I've seen Crypto Mike talk about it, a couple people. I'm like, all right, maybe I'll check it out. I seen it was a game situation, but I really started looking at it like in the past few days, and I'm excited, man. They got some really good partnerships going on. I was looking at the block producers. I see EOS New York is going to be one of the block producers, which is pretty dope. I think I seen somebody else was like their first block producer too. When I was reading through these articles, it was like, it was definitely like a big name, like a nice big name that was one of the block producers. It is what it is. We could find it in a little while, but this is definitely a project that I'm keeping my eye very, very close to. Right now, they're an ERC20 token. and let's go back to CoinMarketCap. And they're 4 cents, 4 point, almost 5 cents. And they're ranked 371. But if you look at the circulating supply, right, I think they have the model for how they're going to be releasing their coins. I don't think this is going to dump as the coins release. What I think is just going to happen is the circulating supply is going to increase, which is going to push their market cap higher, which is going to push their rank higher, which is going to give them more visibility. And then who knows where it goes from there. They got a lot of people that's rocking with their team, you know, and so far they have some really strong partnerships with AMD. What's the other? It was another. I gotta find it. It was like another Ubisoft, man. So Ubisoft partnered with them as well, which is crazy. So having one of the world's top gaming companies as our first corporate block producer, that's crazy. Ubisoft is going to be a block producer, guys. Like, partnership with AMD, partnership with Ubisoft, like real gaming companies are going to be block producers. Oh, AMD is big. J Cappy, man, that's my bro, man. You guys see the little price feed that's going on at the bottom? I could not figure it out. My bro helped me out. J Cappy, that's him right there. Very, very unique kind of guy, man. You ain't never met nobody that is a very professional auto body person and also a professional web developer. Those types of things are literally what politics say learn the code doesn't work. And my man is the living definition of learn the code. So shout out to the bro Gene for jumping in, man. J Cappy was goody. All right, what's going on? Yeah, AMD ARM tech is going to take over. I'm not exactly sure what the ARM tech is. But one thing that I'm noticing, right, there's a common theme that's going on, right? If you go back to CoinMarketCap and you look at all of the blockchains, there's all these different crypto projects, right? You got Bitcoin as a currency. You got Ethereum as a smart contract platform. It's a chipset. All right, I'm going to look that joint up. Probably not right now, but I'm going to look that up in general. Ethereum is a smart contract platform. XRP, money transfer, Tether, it's money, Bitcoin Cash, money, Litecoin, money. EOS is the second highest smart contract platform. How is it that, you know, so many projects are forking EOS? Like, you got UOS over here, Ultra. They're going to be using the EOS technology. I just seen an article today, like some government is going to be using EOS technology. I forgot which one. It was like a small government. Then you got TLOS that I was talking about. And then all of these forks. Wax is using their technology. I don't really know about bots like that. LBRY using their technology. TLOS, Meet One, EOS Finex, Lynx. All of these people are using, these are all individual blockchains that are forking EOS and changing it just a little bit, fine tuning it in ways that people are, you know, rooting for, and the communities are coming together and just making things happen. My man's crypto fee said TLOS is the real EOS. Bro, I think I might make that the title of my TLOS video. When I finally do a TLOS video, I think that's what I'm going to call it. TLOS is the real EOS. That's the most fire thing that I've seen about TLOS or EOS. Like, hands down, bro. You nailed it right there. That's how I'm truly feeling about TLOS. Obviously, EOS is ranked way up here. But when people talk about, you know, some of these blockchains being like, you know, the Napster or whatever the case might be, you know, just something to kind of test the environment until we kind of learn and figure things out the right way. That's how I feel about EOS. Right now, EOS has been jammed up for like nearly a month. That was actually something else that I wanted to look at on Twitter. Somebody had said that. Let's see where your man's is at. I know I had liked the tweet. Maybe I just retweeted it. Nah, yeah, I did. I retweeted it. Let's see. Oh, he must have deleted it. No, right here. Boom. Look at me. I'm wilding. So it's been weeks, and the EOS mainnet has not returned to normal. Usage has collapsed. So what now? And he's talking to Block One. What now? I feel homie. How didn't I like this? I'm bugging. I retweeted. I didn't even like it. I feel homie, bro. EOS been down. Like it hasn't been functioning properly for over like almost a month now. Maybe it is a month. I'm not sure exactly when, but it's been a while, and we haven't really heard that much from Brendan Bloomer and what's his name and Dan Larimer. Like we heard some solution that they're trying to come up with, but it changes the whole model for EOS. So for anybody that might watch this kind of casually, they just kind of, rocking with me. So y'all want to hear somebody like me talk about crypto. The way things work on these crypto projects are different. So on Ethereum, every time you do a transaction, you're paying a fee in Ethereum. So you want to send some Ethereum, you're paying, maybe 5 cents or something like that to send it. Or if you want to send a coin that's built on the Ethereum blockchain like Chainlink, you still need to use a little bit of Ethereum to send it, right? So that's how it works. The way EOS works is all the token transfers are free. If you want to do things that are a little bit more complicated on the network, all you have to do is lock up your tokens. It's called staking, and it provides you the resources. After that, it just it recharges, and then whenever you want, you can unstake them. You can lend out those resources. You can do whatever you want with them. It's like owning blockchain real estate. So it's really an interesting concept that I'll probably go over a little bit more, and I have in the past in some of my other videos. However, this time around, let me see. What's my email? You can send it to... I'm not even logged into that email. I'm logged into... You can have my main email. Oh, okay. I know what I'm going to do. Yeah, send it to lowkeyreview @gmail.com. I'm going to forward it to myself. Then I'm going to pull the track up, my guy. Or I'm going to download it. I'm going to just download it. Send a track if you can to lowkeyreview @gmail.com. Guys, like I said, me and my boy Crypto Fees, we did a couple tracks together now. We did 2. First, we did the EOS joint, the voice joint, and then we did another track that I'm about to play in a moment for y'all. Hopefully he sends that joint through, man. So anyway, EOS is a good project. The only reason it's still up here right now is because there's so much money behind it. They raised so much money. There's so many corporations and stuff that seem like they was rocking with them. And that's the only reason that it's still up here, because no other blockchain could completely lock up like that and stay here. That also goes to show you, like, there's not that many people in the market right now. There's definitely not that many people in the market. I don't hear people talking about most of these projects. Only one, Tezos, maybe, because they got their staking. But you ever try to use Tezos? Hear any dApps on Tezos? Like, crypto is very slow right now, and I want to take full advantage. I want to be out here live streaming every single night. You know what I mean? The few of us that's here. By the way, D-Wave, I did see you, my G. Shout out to you. I'll look a little bit at Cardano, but I literally don't know much about Cardano. I just can't comprehend the reason why people are so all in on it when they just haven't really done what they've been promising yet. That part just... I'm not saying nobody's wrong, but that part kind of just doesn't really sit with me. It's been 2 years, 3 years now, and we still don't have any dApps really running on there. Like, not that I know of, at least. But we could look at Cardano. So anyway, Telos to me is like my boy Crypto Feast said. It's like the real EOS, man. It's crazy. And over here on CoinMarketCap, they're ranked number 259 because they had the circulating supply calculated different from other places like CoinGecko. CoinGecko.com, which is probably like the second most popular joint. If you look at Telos here, they're ranked number 134. Completely different, and that's because the circulating supply, they have it like fully out, and that's actually right. It is technically fully out, their whole circulating supply. And I have a very small amount of Telos, but all right, let's see. I have a very small amount of Telos, but I had staked 2,500. I already made 14 of them in the past few days. I got another 750 that's like on its way in, and I think I wonder if that's earned right there, that 0.8191, because I only sent over another 750, so that'd be crazy. I'm probably gonna add another 1,000 or so in there. The worker proposal, yes, my boy Crypto Fees. The worker proposal is crazy. What is it? Chain Spectre. Over here on Telos, you can actually put in a proposal. Anybody can put in a proposal. Tell them how much Telos you want, right? Technically, which is technically like money. You can trade it out and get real money out of it to do whatever you need, as long as you're contributing to the network with it. So if you're marketing, if you're building applications, you can come here. If you're doing a charity thing, you can come here, you can put in your proposal, and the community votes. This is not the company that votes. The community votes, and when the community votes, you either get your reward or you don't. So right now, this is some Telos works for Sweden, yada, yada, yada. This person got their whole thing. Me personally, I could come in and vote. I could say yes or no. If I said no, some of his votes would go down. If I say yes, it would keep going strong. And eventually, when the days count down, I forgot, I think it's like 30 days or something. I don't know exactly how many days it is. He gets this 51,000 Telos, which is really not that much money right now. And my man D-Wave said Telos to $1 by 2020. I sure hope so, because this is a really good project. And with the D store that they got coming out, which is a decentralized IPFS style storage solution, which is what cryptocurrency is missing right now, it's a wrap, man. So if you talk this crypto language, you know everything that I'm talking about. And if you into computers and web development, you're probably capable of following. Let's go ahead and pull one of these tabs out on my other screen so I could go ahead, log in, download my my track. Oh, here's what I'm gonna do. My bad. I gotta forward it to myself. I'm not even logged into all my emails. I'm messy right now, Fees. I'm messy right now. But we're gonna definitely forward this to myself, and then let's see. I don't think I got it. Low key review. Okay. So I'm forwarding this to myself, and then we're gonna play a little track from me and the homie Crypto Fees. I'm gonna download it, and we're gonna definitely get that going. No, wrong email. Boom. My bad, people. I don't mean to keep y'all held up like that. By the way, what's some projects, man? What's some projects y'all got that y'all need me to show, man, that we here to talk about? Like, what projects we here to talk about? Let's see. I know I mentioned LBRY already. I mentioned iexec. I think my email should have came through already. All right. Okay, we about to start this track. I'm just gonna go ahead and download it so I have it on the computer. We can put it on the desktop. All right, so let's go to my boy Crypto Fees, his page. This is my guy right here, man. It's crazy because I haven't met a lot of y'all, and I think it's Fees with a Z, right? Sometimes it'd be a little hard to search certain people's channels just based on the algorithm. All right, so my boy Crypto Fees, he's another one on his way up. You know what I'm saying? I'm another one that's I just passed 1,000 subscribers. I'm not really out there like that. Crypto Fees, he does multiple things. He does stuff that has to do with I think this is fantasy football stuff. He does blockchain videos and interviews, you know what I'm saying? Brock Pierce, Cypher Glass, you know, people that's really in the industry, you know what I'm saying? And then he also do a lot of music, man. My boy do some solid music, matter of fact. Oh, Fortnite stream? I was about to say, you play Street Fighter? I didn't even know that. So Fees, he got quite a few joints. Was it 1.8? 1.8 is good, but there was some other track that was really Panoramic, which my bad D-Wave, it's a Cardano diss, but the track is fire though, bro. It's fire. And then EOS in my pocket, man. That's my other joint that I rock with. So if you guys are not subscribed to Crypto Fees, go ahead and check my boy out. And now we're gonna bump this track that me and him did. So let's just rock out real quick. bottom. Hustles in my roots, you know I had to grow and blossom. Looking up to hustlers, but never wanted problems. But when you from where I'm from, you gonna end up wildin'. Doing things you're not supposed to do. Get some fits because your mom can't get no clothes for you. Reminiscing on my past, I get emotional. I promise everything I learned, I will be showing you. Look, if anyone knows, then I know that you could do it too. It's gonna take some time though. You gotta take some risks whenever you in grind mode. And I could do this here with my eyes closed until my eyes close. That's my boy Crypto Fees and me. That's me and my boy Crypto Fees. I see J Cappy asked if I made that beat. No, I did not make that beat. Actually, Crypto Fees, he just sent that to me. You know what I'm saying? Good looking out, man. He said I killed that. Good looking, man. I think you killed it, bro. The flow, like you just know how to have a certain vibe on these tracks, bro. You know how to flow on it. And then this time around, I actually like I was really feeling the lyrics. You feel me? And then that beat was fire. I was just loving it. And to tell you the truth, like I've been one of those guys that's like, because I make beats, I be kind of like, I don't want to rap on nobody's beats. That beat was too fire, bro. I was not holding back. I had to just rap on that joint. And I haven't rapped in years, bro. You brought me out the woodworks for real. So shout out to Crypto Fees. I see Crypto and Culture said he just subscribed. This is exactly the point of this whole entire stream, guys. It's like, you know what I'm saying? We all in the chat. We all the same type of people. You know what I mean? Young urban community. You know what I'm saying? That's what I really feel like. Sometimes there's all types of people that's watching, but I feel like we the urban community. Hold on. Let me get my little basic attention token. You know, I had to click that advertisement. What is this? They got the basic attention token chain, the dog tags for $100 and the ring. Oh, they out of pocket. I don't know anybody that love basic attention token this much. Anyway, you know, that's how you get your little coins, right? Just click on the advertisement. That's what's cool about Brave browser. So you guys go ahead and check that out. But yeah, man, this is what it's about, man. Crypto Fees, Crypto and Culture, linking up, low key money. You know what I'm saying? J Cappy, Mr. Lodak, D Wave. There's a couple people that's probably watching that's not in the chat right now. Y'all need to make yourselves, you know what I'm saying? Y'all need to make yourselves known. Like, y'all gotta make yourselves out here, man. Jump in the chat. We all talk. We all get along. It's a wave, man. Mr. T, there you go. That pendant is a ripoff. Mr. T, I almost feel like you didn't even need to say that. You know that pendant is a ripoff, bro. I still ain't put my ID on. I ain't collect yet. Crypto Fees, bro, what are you waiting for, man? Get your little coins, man. Honestly, from the advertisements, most of the times I don't watch it. That was me just kind of being funny. But here and there I do. I don't know. It's a little coin that you could get, and maybe I'll tip some people with it. But I have gotten tipped. I have sent out tips. So like I feel like I'm an active like member of the Brave community, even though I'm not like in their forums and stuff. My Brave video, it got 2.5K views, which is pretty nice. It's one of my top videos, probably like second or third. And then I've been getting some referrals, man. My man, Mr. T said, but I love Brave and I do watch the ads. Yo, Mr. T, did you buy that pendant? You said it's a ripoff. I absolutely think it's a ripoff. I'm just wondering if you got ripped off. I hope not. I doubt you did. I feel like you're not the type. I just feel like you're not the type. But if you did, it's savage, bro. We gotta go against this. We gotta go against this somehow. Crypto Fees, I need referral. Bro, this referral game, yo, so here's my strategy with YouTube right now, right? Pardon me. Mr. Lodak sent 10 basic attention token to me. Shout out to you. And that's not the first time you did that, man. I be watching people send donations and stuff like that. And I'm like, maybe that could be me one day. And then when I get a little tip, a little donation, that's probably like 50 cents or something like that. I be feeling overwhelmed with like appreciation, bro. Almost like you don't gotta do that. Like 10 basic attention token shout out to you, man. I appreciate that so much, man. Could you imagine one day I'm in this and people dropping $5 and $10 and stuff like that, bro? I'm gonna faint. Like I'm gonna just faint and pass out. Like it's too litty, you know what I'm saying? But there's a lot of people out there that's really getting it like that. So my whole strategy with this YouTube thing, and I know I'm supposed to be shilling projects. If you guys got projects you want me to, $1.72. You see what I'm saying? That's like $1.72. My God, like, man, thank you so much, man. You don't have to do that. You know what I'm saying? But I appreciate it, man. You know what I'm saying? Whenever you're ready to, go on live or anything like that, make sure you hit me up. Make sure you let me know what time. I'm going to try my best to make it to your live. Everybody. That's for everybody in here. Fees, when you go live. Crypto and Culture, I pretty much watch all of your videos. I think I only missed like 2 since I've started. So I'm always there. If I don't leave a comment, I'm at minimum liking your videos. Mr. Lodak, every once in a while, I'm checking you out. I see when you did the t-shirt giveaway and stuff like that. Like, I see a lot of the gold talk. I see a lot of, you know what I mean? So those are my free ones I earned that I tip with. That's cool then, you see? So that's dope. He earned more than 10 tokens that he was able to just kind of just give back with, man. That's crazy, man. That's fire. That's fire. So thank you everybody for even being in this joint right now, man. This is feeling very community like, and I'm gonna do this on a regular basis. I might do it over the weekend too, but Monday through Friday I'm gonna always be doing this. So if you guys make it sometimes, cool. If you make it on a regular basis, awesome. If you don't, if you make it every once in a while, that's still good, man. I appreciate you guys popping in. This is how we do it. We support each other. Now, one thing I noticed on my channel that 2 things that really pushed me over, right? So I think I do pretty decent level quality reviews. Like look how it starts. I mean, it's kind of like good quality videos, bro. I mean, it ain't that bad. Look at this. All right, we're not gonna sit here and just watch my videos, me gloating about myself, just like, oh, look at my videos. But I do pretty decent. Yeah, I think everybody in here has Brave browser, Lodak, but I will drop my referral link. It's crazy because J Cappy just hit me up earlier. Was like, yo, send me the Brave link. That's so crazy. Now we're talking about it. Yo, J Cappy, if you're still on here, isn't that crazy? That's super bugged out. Yeah, I'm about to play our voice video right after this. So my thing that I've been trying to do is I realized that everybody's looking on how to make money online, and I've been trying to find different ways that I can like get people in with that. Obviously doing good quality is one thing, but making money online. Now, this sounds maybe too generic. Make money online, $100 fast, legit. Got me some views, but it might be a little too legit. Now, making money watching ads is a little bit more specific, and also the combination of Brave browser. Like, I feel like the algorithm picked this up nice and clean. Earn free crypto in the middle of this joint. Nice and clean. The algorithm picked me up. How to make money with cryptocurrency. Like, I'm trying to like do videos that's geared more towards that. Every once in a while, do a review. I got $100 in Stormcoin for this. This one I got, I think, $250. It was a 2-part video. Loom. I actually did a bounty and I won. I won the bounty. They hit me up. We're gonna go to me and Crypto Fees video in a second right now, but I don't even know how to search this thing. Let's go to Loom here and peep this, man. It's all about just putting in that work, guys, putting in that pain, man. And I reach out to a lot of people too, man. I actually reach out to some of these platforms and I'm like, hey, you guys interested in doing a little joint project? I'm cheap right now because I don't have the most subscribers, but I'm getting there. And where's their Medium? So if you go to their Medium, I was just scrolling through the other day and I'm like, word? I went through here and they're like, look, so the bounty and rewards program in late September, Crypto and Culture, if you still here, yeah, so bro, do you be emailing the team for sponsor videos? So I'm about to get into that in a second. So look, we have finally finished going through and discussing the submissions received to date. And as we only accept quality submissions, that's what made me feel good about this. Quality submissions. There are 5 winners for the month of October and November. And look, low-key reviews. I mean, my project is low-key money, but my email is low-key review, not with the S. But still. And it's use Loom token. So that made me feel really good. I don't know how many coins I'm going to get. They emailed me. They said, yo, crypto fees, that's a really good idea. They emailed me. They said they'll let me know how many coins. It's going to take a little while, but you got to just do these things, man. We got to just do these things. So about emailing these people for sponsored videos, not all of them. So this one was a bounty that I found. You know what I'm saying? I found that bounty for Loom. Let's go to some joints. Some of these projects reached out to me. So decentralized finance, I have never had a sponsored video from here backwards. I started talking about decentralized finance, which is very niche, and I think I do a pretty good job on majority of my videos. Some of them could be a lot better, but I do a decent job. I started talking about DeFi. Immediately, Pool Together reached out to me. So crypto fees, get that Windows PC first. Yeah, you talk about getting a matter of fact, you know what's crazy, J Cappy helped me set up my computer and everything. That's my literal brother. I know he looks a lot more light skinned in the icon there, but that's my literal brother. And last week, unfortunately, you guys heard my grandmother. We had our grandmother's funeral. He helped me set up my PC. Crypto fees just told me today, like, yo, I'm thinking about building a PC. So that might be crazy if somehow we end up linking. And you know what's crazy, J Cappy? Your man live in Vegas, so we might finally find a reason to go to Vegas, yo. That's it. It's litty, yo. Oh, man, you be live on the Mac. Okay, that's why he's saying that, too. Mr. T said BTC kicking a bit. What's the price? Oh, it is kind of. So as far as the sponsors thing, I know to go into certain niches, decentralized finance to me obviously was going to take off. I feel like I was early. Before Chico Crypto started talking about it every 3 days, I put this video out 5 months ago, and I started talking about DeFi. I mean, everybody talked about it here and there. You know, I talked about Maker and stuff like that, but I really started talking about it here. And then I did this video. They reached out to me. So they paid me like 100 DAI tokens to do this Pool Together video. I was happy to do it. I started talking more about DeFi. I don't even know what happened. Next thing you know, because I was getting good views. I was getting consistent views. Trontopia hit me up. They were like, hey, do you want to do a video? I think they paid me like 150 or something like that. I was happy to do it. I took 50 of it. I did a giveaway. That giveaway like boosted me to the over 1,000 mark. That was what put me over 1,000. I went from here, 9 something, to over 1,000 by doing that giveaway, which kept eyes on me. I did this Loom thing. It ended up getting me this winning. I won the bounty because of that. And then I got another sponsor with Tron Hive / Beehives. I don't care what these dApps do. Like, as long as it's not a scam dApp, like, I don't care how whack it is, how good it is. Like, I'll do it for some bread. I'll talk about your project. As long as it's not a scam. That's all I care about. As long as people's money is safe and it's not a scam, like, I don't have a problem talking about it. Now, as times get tighter and I don't have enough time, I'm going to have to dub some people, curve them. But for right now, I'm doing all these, bro. I'm cool with that. And then, let's see. After I did this, I reached out to Storm because I did a video for Storm Play. It did very well. You know, it's my highest viewed video right now. I deleted some of my old videos, and I'll probably delete some of these old ones too because I don't like price prediction videos as much anymore. So I'll probably delete some of these old ones too eventually. But I did this video. I'm like, yo, what's up, man? I got over 100 downloads for your app. Legit. So what's up? And they was like, hey, we'll pay you $100 to just do this joint. And I was like, word, okay, that's cool. Now I reached out to ENJ. ENJ said, hey, we typically like people with higher views, but we'd be willing to work with you as well. So it's litty, man. All right, so I'm going to play this voice video. Let's see what the chat is talking about. I should have been hitting the promo mode when blockchain week was at here, but I was lacking. Yeah, blockchain week was in Vegas, right, man? I feel you, man. That's, you know what, yo, we need to link either here in Florida, cause crypto and culture is right here in Tampa. I'm like in the Naples type area, like somewhere in the mix over there in this anonymous place. J Cappy's in New York. So once we need to set up our servers and get a block producer running or something like that, we run it down on J Cappy, who's in New York, which is where I'm originally from. I mean, he's in the Tri area, you know, he's mostly in New York though. And then Fees is in Vegas. So once we all pop off with this bread, like, where you think we going? We going straight to Vegas, man. We go straight to Vegas. Let's check out the price, and then I'm gonna play this voice video. Let's see CoinMarketCap. Yeah, it looked like things is actually moving pretty solid right now, man. Bitcoin Cash had a decent day too. It was up even more than that. So I'm gonna play this voice video. Mr. T's in Orlando. All right, so we got y'all got to come to Florida first. Mr. T is in Orlando. I'm in the Naples type area. Crypto and culture is in the Tampa area, which is probably in between where I'm at and where Mr. T is at. We're gonna have to do some type of meetup. I really think we could host a meetup. Between all of us, we could definitely do it. And we could probably do a TLOS meetup, to be honest. Yo, Fees, what you think about that? You think we could do a TLOS meetup between all of these all of us influencers just coming together? We asked the TLOS community to help pay for some of the flights. You know what I'm saying? And then yeah, crypto and culture. I'm in the Naples area. It's not exactly Naples, but it's the same county. I'm in, what is it? Collier County. Yeah, you know, I'm originally from New York. I've been down here a few years, so I'm still a little slow. But yeah, I'm in that area, bro. I work in Naples. I'm right there in that area. Yeah, I got this 2-minute video I want to play for you guys. And y'all probably seen this already. Me and my boy Crypto Fees, we did a track for the social media platform Voice that's going to be coming out. And here we go. In 2017, Block One announces EOS IO, going on to raise the largest ICO for estimates of above $4 billion. In 2018, EOS is released, quickly becoming the fastest and #1 blockchain in terms of daily operations. In 2019, EOS IO continues to get upgraded and software continues to develop with the recent upgrade of EOS IO 1.8. But also, on June 1st, 2019, Block One announced their social media platform built on EOS, Voice.
I got a voice, we got a voice, you got a choice, I got a choice, we got a choice, you got a voice, I got a voice, we got a voice, you got a choice, I got a choice, we got a choice. Use your voice, make the choice, making all the right choices, got my brain on soda, you can call me King Cooper, about to take up all these tokens, take over the ocean, poison beach with that sticky icky potion, 24 million paid, over 4 billion made, just under 300 days. What you wanna say? Do it every way. Make a choice, take your voice, take it further, change the blockchain, social media, see the future. Don't you know I gotta do it, man? I gotta do it through you. Got to be, it's the gang and me.
That's me and my boy Crypto Fees. We was just going crazy. J Cappy, that beat right there, I did make. They had a conference going on for this company called Block One, and they had their social media platform they were announcing, and they had that little sound in there, and I'm just hearing it. I'm like, that's a sample. That's a sample. So I flipped it real quick, to be honest. It usually takes me a decent amount of time to make beats. I'm not one of those guys that just boom, 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 make a beat. But that one I made very quick because I was just checking if the sample would loop good, and it looped good. And next thing you know, I sent it out to my homie Crypto Fees, who makes a bunch of tracks about crypto and blockchain, specifically about the hosting service for voice, which is EOS. And we just had a track, man, and that joint went like, obviously 500 views. It didn't go viral, but it went like mini viral, man. It went like it went like mini viral in the EOS community, at least, because let's see, my boy Colin Talks Crypto. People was reaching out to us, man. And then Colin Talks Crypto, he reached out and he was like, yo, let me use that beat if you don't mind.
It looks like it could. I think it's really quite an awesome platform.
Watch this.
Thank you for joining me.
So he uses that for all his intros now, and then even for his outros, that's the instrumental, but then he got the Fees version.
And what you do. Have a great day.
You got a voice, I got a voice, we got a voice, you got a choice, I got a choice, we got a choice, you got a voice, I got a voice, we got a voice, you got a choice, I got a choice, we got a choice.
And then he even shouts us out too, he got the low key money and Crypto Fees. So that was pretty cool, man. That's something me and Fees, we just collaborated on, and things be working, man. I think that if we really stuck together, guys, I'm gonna be on the stream, on a regular basis. I'm about to get out of here in a second. It's been almost an hour. I want to kind of keep it around an hour. I'm willing to go a lot longer when more people are in and there's more projects to talk about and stuff. But I'm gonna get out of here in the next few minutes. But in general, man, I think that, hold on, my bad. I think that we got something cool as far as content creators. We have like a nice tight community and stuff. There's projects. My boy Crypto and Culture said, I'm gonna be here. Yo, matter of fact, I was laughing when I was listening to the song because I seen you said you from Collier County. Yo, that's crazy, bro. That's bugged out, man. That's bugged out. But yeah, man, so Crypto and Culture, I'll catch you on the next one. If you're out of here, holla at me. And we need to link up, man. You from Collier County, so you probably easier to take that drive, man. Holla at me on the next one, man. J Cappy, you already know. Thanks for stopping through. And you actually, joined in and everything. Mr. Lodak, shout out to you. I did see you put that little message about EOS being the 9th top gainer. But you use TradingView for your coin prices. That's the better place, is TradingView. But Mr. Lodak, shout out to you. Immokalee? Yo, bro, I live in Ave, bro. Right there, Ave Maria, bro. You talking about Immokalee, bro? I'm 10 minutes from Immokalee. I'm about to drop my mom off in Immokalee in the next 10, 15 minutes. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Yo, sak pase nèg mwen m'bliye ou Haitien, man. Sorry, people who don't understand the language, man. But shout out to my Haitians. Mr. T from Orlando, shout out to you. Thank you for being active on the stream. I think that's everybody. D Wave, shout out to you. Thank you for being active on the stream. Everybody. And then I had this dude at the very top. I don't really know how to say his name. Before I even started the stream, like while it was just waiting, my boy right here, Chowdhury Raymond, asked Loom Network 2020. I actually do think Loom and Second Layer Solutions are going to do very well in 2020. Shout out to you. Thank you for being active on the stream. So shout out to all of y'all, man. It's your boy Low Key. I'm going to catch you guys on the next vid. I am out of here. Peace.